Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix your password cannot include your name, phone number, or part of your email or iPhone or iPad. If you're using any iPhone or iPad, you're facing the issue that whenever you try to change your iPhone, your Apple ID password, you might see an error that your password cannot include your name, phone number, apart from your email. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So it's nothing else, it's just a security reason issue that you have to try to create a strong password which doesn't include your name, your phone number, or part of your email address. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first thing, you have to try to connect with a different, stable, and strongest network connection. Then you have to try to create a new password using this type method. So let's say I'm gonna try to create a new password. So the very first thing, you have to make sure that your password must be at least 8 characters long. So you have to try to add 8 characters in your password, and after that you have to also add an uppercase letter, a lowercase letter, and at least one number in your password. You can also try to add some symbols. So let's say I'm gonna create a new one here. So the very first thing, I recommend you have to try to follow my method or my pattern here to create a new password without any issue like that. So the very first thing, you have to try to add any of letter from here. So for example, I'm going to select this one here, and here you have to add some numbers. So you can add different numbers, or let's say I'm going to add two numbers from here. After adding two numbers, add a symbol. So for example, I'm going to add this symbol from here. So once I've added the symbol, just go back to letters, and here you have to add a word which you can easily remember. So I recommend don't try to add or don't try to use your name or any your business name, your part of your mail address. So you can add a different word. So you have to add the word which no one can. Yeah, so let's say I'm gonna add this word here. So it might be different from everything. So after adding the word, you can retry, you can re-add a different symbol. So for example, I'm going to add this one. So now let's count. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So we have at least 9 characters here. We have created our strongest password, which include 9 characters. So you can add more characters. So it's but this minimum length is 8 characters. So you can easily use this password if you want, or you can also try to create a new one of your own. So after creating a password using this pattern or this method, you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.